Welcome to one of Tennessee's most extraordinary country estates. 70 rolling acres, your own private 10-acre stocked lake, and completely unrestricted, giving you the freedom to build multiple homes, run cattle or horses, and create a private family compound like no other. This property is the ultimate blend of luxury, functionality, and outdoor adventure. Gently rolling pastures, fully cross-fenced, meet manicured fields and mature timber, creating the perfect setting for recreation, livestock, or future expansion. private lake anchors the estate, ideal for fishing, kayaking, or lakeside entertaining. Inside the custom 4,400 square foot residence, soaring ceilings with exposed wood beams, rich hardwood floors, and a masonry brick gas fireplace make a dramatic statement. The open concept kitchen dazzles with granite countertops, custom wood cabinetry, premium stainless steel appliances, and a center island, ideal for entertaining. Oversized windows capture panoramic views of the lake, pastures, and countryside. The owner's suite is a private retreat, complete with panoramic lake views, a spa-inspired bath, soaking tub, dual vanities, and quiet spaces for reading or meditation. The fully finished lower level expands versatility with a game room, kitchenette, bonus rooms, and extra bedrooms, perfect for family or guests. Outdoors, enjoy a screened porch, expansive patio with fire pit, vintage hay barn, and 2 modern workshops with full electrical service. The unrestricted acreage allows endless possibilities. Build additional homes, cabins, or horse facilities. Privacy, luxury, lakefront, and complete freedom, this Tennessee estate is turnkey country living at its